All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and get started with our math lesson for today. We have finished our chapter on subtraction, and today we'll be reviewing that. And then all next week, we'll also be reviewing subtraction. So don't get overwhelmed if you think you don't have it yet. That's okay. We're going to keep on practicing. So we're going to go ahead and get out our butterfly books. So girls, go ahead and get your butterfly book. And Miss Landry, you can go ahead and pause it until everybody has their books, and then we'll get started. All right, my friends, this is the page that you should be on. Move things around for you. All right, and this says fluency practice, so we're just going to be practicing our subtraction. All right, so first things first, we're going to put how many caterpillars we're starting with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're starting with 9 caterpillars. Trace over our subtraction sign. How many caterpillars did they take away? 1, 2, 3, 4. Equals how many caterpillars are left over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's read this subtraction sentence together. 9 minus 4 equals 5. All right, next one. Let's see how many butterflies we're starting with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Starting with 8 butterflies. How many butterflies did they take away right here? 1, 2, 3. Equals how many butterflies are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 butterflies left. Let's read it. 8 minus 3 equals 5. All right, next one. Let's count up these birdies. How many all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many birdies did we take away? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many birds are left? Just 1. So our subtraction sentence should say 5 minus 4 equals 1. All right, Miss Landry, you can pause it here if they need to catch up. All right, let's take a look at the back. Let's look at these crabs at the top, count how many we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 crabs minus, how many did we take away? 1, 2, 3. Equals, how many crabs are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 crabs left. All right, next part. Let's see how many whales we started. Oh, dolphins, sorry. How many dolphins we started with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Started with 6 dolphins. How many did we take away? 1, 2, 3, 4. Equals, how many dolphins are left? 1, 2. All right, and the last part, these little fish at the bottom. Let's count how many all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fish. How many did we take away? 1, 2. Equals, how many fish are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's read our subtraction sentence. 7 minus 2 equals 5. All right, Miss Landry, I'll leave this here for a minute. Pause it if you need to. Okay, you guys can go ahead and flip. And this is the next page you see. This is like a little review page. So this is what it says. Minus sign, equal sign, subtract. And then these are the 3 things that they give us, and we're going to draw lines to match them up. So this first one says minus sign. Is this a minus sign? Is this a minus sign? Is this a minus sign? This one is, right? The one little line. So we're going to draw a line from minus sign to our minus sign. This one says equal sign. Is this our equal sign? Or is this our equal sign? Very good. We're going to draw a line from the words equal sign to our equal sign. And the last one says subtract, and this is where they are subtracting the baseball. So we'll draw a line there. All right. Let's take a look at these ladybugs. It says there are 9 ladybugs on the leaf. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 ladybugs flew away. Let's cross out 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see that? It's kind of tough to see, huh? And it says how many ladybugs are left. Let's count how many ladybugs are left. These are my 4 that are crossed out. So let's count how many are left over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your number 5 goes in the blank right here. All right. Miss Landry, pause it if you need to. We're going to flip to the next page. All right, this is what it says. It says 5 spiders are on the spider web. So let's draw 5 spiders. I'm just going to do circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 spiders on the spider web. 3 spiders crawl away. 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. How many spiders are left? These 3 crawled away. Oops, move my fingers. How many are left over here? 1, 2. So our 2 goes in the blank. All right, next spot. We're talking about smiley faces now. We're starting with 4 smiley faces. How many did we take away? 1, 2, 3. Equals how many smiley faces are left? Just 1 little happy face. Bottom part, we have seashells. They already told us we're starting with 10 seashells. How many seashells are we taking away? 1, 2, 3. And how many seashells are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seashells left. Let's read these 2 subtraction sentences since we didn't do that. 10 minus 3 equals 7. 4 minus 3 equals 1. All right, Miss Landry, you can pause it here if you need to. All right, guys, rocking and rolling. We just have a little bit left to do. Let's see, we might get to all of this. We'll see. All right, there are 10 balls in this container. Let's draw 10 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This looks like Coach's little cart that he has with balls, right? So we have 10 balls in here. And it says 7 were used during PE today. So let's trace over our subtraction sign. Put our 7. 7 were used during PE, so let's X out 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So all of these. How many balls do we have left? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Just 3 balls left equals 3. Okay, Miss Landry, pause it if you need to. Let's take a look at these lions. We have 9 lions all together. And let's see how many of them woke up and walked away. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to take away 4 of those lions. They walked away. How many lions are still down here sleeping? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lions still sleeping. Miss Landry, pause it here if you need to. All right, guys, this is our last page. I know it's been a lot today, but you guys have been working really, really hard. Let's see if we can get through this. All right, it says the school is having a field day and students are going to be playing games and having lots of fun outside. Okay, it says there are 5 bikes in a race. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bikes in a race. 2 of the bikes get a flat tire. 2 bikes get a flat tire. How many bikes are still left in the competition? 1, 2, 3. So you should have 5 minus 2 equals 3. Next part says, there are 7 balloons. 1 balloon pops or bursts. Circle how many balloons are left. Okay, so we have 7 balloons. 7, 7. 1 of those balloons pops. How many balloons do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balloons left. So we're going to circle our number 6. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Miss Landry, you can pause it here if you need to. All right, last page. Here we go. There are 8 kites flying. 8 kites flying in the sky. Some of the kites fly away. How many kites flew away? 1, 2, 3, 4 kites flew away. How many kites are still left in the sky? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's read this beautiful subtraction sentence. 8 minus 4 equals 4. And our last one right here, it says trophies were given for first place. Circle the number sentence that shows how many trophies were given away. All right, this is kind of tricky. First, we need to see how many trophies we started with. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we know we're starting with the number 10. Does this start with the number 10? No, that can't be right. Okay, let's see how many we're taking away. Let's count those X's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are taking away 8. Is this one taking away 8? No, that says 7. Is this one taking away 8? Yeah. And then how many are left over? 2. So this is the correct subtraction sentence for that one. Little tricky. All right, Miss Landry, pause it here if you need to. That is the end of what we'll be doing in our butterfly books today. So Miss Landry, once they finish up, they can head on back and put them in their cubbies. And I will see you guys for our next lesson.